Good guys, this is Jengan at TMK. My name is Timothy, architect at TMK Studios, and today we're going to discuss 3 common mistakes that potential homeowners make when they're just about to start their home project. So number 1, the biggest mistake that the clients make is having an unrealistic budget. It is very important for you, before you start your project or you start planning for your project, to know how much money am I willing to spend on this project. And why is that important? Because it dictates the size of the house, where you build the house, and how big that house will be. So with that is the first mistake that clients make. So we will not be able to move forward in any project when you come to our office without discussing the budget first. Yeah. The second biggest mistake that clients make is assuming that professionals are not needed when planning the design. When you are designing your project, it's very important that you get a qualified designer, an architect. It's also important that you get, if it has structural elements, get a qualified structural engineer, get a qualified quantity surveyor, so that you can be able to have the full board of professionals when it comes to designing your project. Why is that important? Because you'll be able to get, these people are professionals who have understanding of the space that is required, minimum spaces, minimum requirements for each and every structure that you intend to put up. That's number 2. Number 3, assuming that the lowest bidder when it comes to construction is the best person to build for you. And I say that is that you could decide either to build using your foreman or to build using a contractor. But having the lowest bidder does not automatically result in having the best qualified person or the most favorable person for your project. Why do I say that? Because you need to have someone who has the technical know-how. Do your due diligence when you're sourcing either your foreman or your contractor for your project. And with that, you'll be able to avoid so many mistakes that could have been avoided at the time of the construction, because it is very costly. Again, I normally say a bad house and a good house will cost the same. It just depends on who decides to build for you your home. So with that, guys, just take those 3 points, and you'll be good to go in your home ownership journey. Thank you so much.